Armada of boats. I made some out of walnut shells and some out of bigger shells. They're here in the pond. If you blow them a little bit, they scoot around. Here. They're cute. There they are. Some of them are pretty fast. They bump into the bigger ones. Some of them fall over. That one falls over. He's fallen over a couple times. Once they get wet and fall over, they don't want to do anything. But the little ones go pretty fast until they fall over, and then they're in bad shape. Once they get wet, they don't want to float. Did you see them? There they go. This one goes along pretty fast. So when there's a breeze, they sail. This red one over here. The blue one has had it. He was wet from the start. He needs to be put back and refigured, I think. They're the little ones. They're really cute. I love these little boats.